Hello everybody. I am going to demonstrate the Hogs Sonic rocket, which I have right here. This is an electric rocket that you can launch way high into the air. It is pretty simple to operate. This kit comes with the following parts. You have your standard rocket, and then you also have a launcher, a 3-part launcher, which you do have to assemble, but you don't need any tools, and a USB cord in which you could plug into an appropriate adapter or computer to charge the rocket. The rocket can perform about 50 launches for every charge. Now this rocket has 3 different launch modes, and here are the instructions on how to operate this toy. Here they show you how to charge. It's recommended that what you need to do is, before you recharge the battery, wait 10 to 15 minutes for the battery to cool down, and make sure that the charger is working properly and not damaged. If it's damaged, do not use it because you might damage your toy. Here's how to use the rocket. You would place it on the launch pad, and now I have it on relatively rough wood chips, but it's very recommended you place it on a smooth surface like blacktop. But it's very important that you launch the rocket free from obstacles, because you don't want it to hit anything or anyone and cause damage or injury. Here they show how to assemble the launch. Then you would push the power button, which is right here. Maybe hard to see, but you'd push that button the appropriate number of times for whatever mode you want. There's backyard mode. That sends the rocket up to 50 feet. There is park mode, which sends it up to 100 feet. And then there's orbit mode, which sends the rocket up to 200 feet. You would push the power button once if you want to do backyard mode, twice for park mode, and 3 times for orbit mode. Then the rotor, this red rotor at the bottom of the rocket, will spin on and off 5 times as a countdown before the launch. It's important to get away from the rocket before it lifts off. Now, without further ado, we are going to perform launch mode 1. We're going to hit the power button. I use the box to make the launch pad more stable. And there it goes. That was a pretty big success. Just gotta run over. And there we have it. Now we are going to do launch mode number 2. We will hit the button 2 times. Back away. And now it should go like about twice as high. I don't think you can see it. Now it's going to plunge back to Earth. Finally, we are going to do launch mode 3. Now, the last time I launched it on the second mode, the rocket ended up in a tree, and I had to go through a very difficult process of retrieving it. But I finally got it, and now we're going to do number 3. Hopefully it won't get stuck again. sky's a little more overcast, so the rocket should go even higher up. Don't know if you can see it, but there it goes, plunging to Earth. Now hopefully this time I'll be able to retrieve it. So with that said, thank you so much for watching this video of me demonstrating the Hogs sonic rocket.